Gear up with 3D technology, only from REI. Keep riders, drivers, and buses safer than ever before with our 3D 360-degree high-definition surround view camera system. Its exclusive panoramic and bird's-eye views deliver more complete coverage. Views change dynamically depending if the vehicle is in reverse or with active turn signals, so critical areas are always in sight. And our infrared technology provides clear nighttime views. With REI's 360 system, it's easier to park and maneuver. Vehicle damage and repairs are minimized, and risk is greatly reduced. Only REI offers a system this advanced. Contact a sales representative today and be on your way to the best surveillance solution available.